Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, tap on the camera icon, select if you want to take a photo or to just select photo from the gallery, as I am going to do. Here you have to select an image, then you have to crop it and tap OK. Can I save? Tap save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.